Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about men. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. So, like I said, men have pains too. Let's get into this video. Did you know that men cry too? Do you know that men scream too, break down and cry? Do you know that men can hold a lot of pain inside because society doesn't expect them to cry? Society expects men to be men. Society doesn't expect men to cry. Society expects men to be hard like stone. Society expects men to be strong, and indeed they are. But they are human too. They hold a lot of pain inside that sometimes they break down, fall on their knees, scream and cry too. Did you know that? Did you know that some women don't even know that their men cry? Their husbands cry? Did you know that men have the capacity to hide a lot of pain in their heart so that the people around them can feel like there is someone strong for them? Men are expected to be our rock, to be our shield, to be everything for us. So because of that, they hide their pain. They don't want you to perceive them as weak. They don't want you to think they have broken down. So as a result, they hide a lot of pain in their hearts. Men break down too. A man will financially go broke completely, and he will continue to act like he has everything, so that you don't lose hope, so that you stay strong. You know that there is someone out there, out here, who is my strong bond and refuge, who will help me financially. They make you feel secure even when they have nothing. Did you know that most men are very lonely even when they are married? They are so lonely even when they have partners, even when they have girlfriends and boyfriends. They are so lonely. They feel unheard. They feel no one listens to them. They feel they are alone in this whole world, and they have no one to talk to, no one to go to, no one to understand them, no one to empathize with them, because everyone expects them to be perfect, to be heroes, to be strong, to be stone. Did you know that? Men too have emotional needs, and they cry for help. Men still cry for love. Men need your understanding. Men need your help. Men are crying and yearning for your help, even when they don't say, even when they hold it in, because society has groomed them to act like they are perfect, to act like they are strong. Sometimes they need a shoulder to cry on. Men need your help. Men need our help. Let's rise up and help the men, and be there for the men, and not judge them, and not point fingers at them, and show them love and empathize with them. They are men. They are our men.